Okay, who here got masak-masak and then sometimes they fry the fish, they goreng the ikan, then suddenly the minyak jump on your body and then you got scar. Okay, this is what happened to my hand. See here. Okay, this is 2 years ago, still there. Okay, but very light already. You cannot see on camera. It's very small already. So if you got scar, okay, this one for if or you fall down, okay, or you cooking or you whatever lah. Then you put the gel. You see this gel I show you the color. You see, it's transparent. Dia tak ada. You see, maybe better like this. You see that is transparent. Okay, wait, color is transparent. And then you just sapu. Okay, or maybe your children, okay, anak you jatuh bicycle, okay, atau you baru operation, okay, for people who here who beranak cesarean, okay, siapa beranak cesarean sini atau beranak natural. Okay, beranak cesarean like me, okay, I beranak cesarean, okay, secara doctor cut open and then take out the baby. Okay, so after that when they sew back, then got the scar, right? Okay, at the tummy there. I cannot show lah here on live TV. I cannot show people my scar. But there's a very big scar, cesarean kan. Okay, untuk semua perempuan yang lahir cesarean, okay, they give birth cesarean. There's a big scar at our tummy here, right? Near the panty line. So you also can put this dermatics. You sapu, no color one. Okay, no color. Sapu. Okay, this is what they're using in hospitals, you know. This is what they're using in hospitals right now. There are many scar cream out there. Okay, very cheap one also. But this is advanced formula. Okay, advanced formula you can give on any surgery scars. Okay, you see here, and surgery, cuts, burns, everything also can. Okay, and this is proven because this is actually Dermatics is owned by a medicine company. Okay, it is imported. Where I see from where. Okay, this is from manufactured in Singapore. Okay, manufactured in Singapore, and then this one is from a medicine company makes this one. So in the hospital, those that are private hospitals, they are using this Dermatics, okay, for after surgery. So every day you apply, okay, so every day you apply 1 or 2 times, okay, and then very fast dry already. Then you can put on anywhere of your body also can. Okay, this sapu, see, can see or not? Cannot see anything, right? So I got cesarean scar, so but I cannot show to you. So this one very good for people who beranak cesarean or after surgery, or you masak-masak. But then because you see kita perempuan kan, okay, or even you lelaki, we want to go out, right? Then suddenly got one scar there, right? So ugly, right? Then people ask you, then you also malu want to jawab. So how? Okay, we need to look presentable lah. Bukan cakap beautiful sangat. We need to look presentable when we go out. So we need to put something to reduce the scar. So normally, right, for new scar, it takes 2 to 3 weeks. For old scar, maybe it takes around 1 month to reduce and minimize, okay? So, but it's a non-greasy formula. Okay, so this one is for accident or for burns or even for surgery scars.